Hey, if you want to connect your OPPO Enco Free to earbuds with two devices at the same time, for sure you can do this, but first you will have to update the firmware of these earbuds. So you will have to open the Hey Melody application, then you will have to scroll down and open the firmware update. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi and mobile data, and you have to get this version of the update. After this, you will find that dual connection will pop on your application. So now you will have to enable it, and then if you want to connect the second device, so in my case I would like to connect this second phone, I will have to simply open the Bluetooth settings on this phone, just like this, and I will have to move this earbuds into the pairing mode. So I will have to put them back into the case, just like this, and I will have to click and hold this button to enter for the pairing mode. So wait until it starts blinking. There we go. Now release and keep the case open. And on this second device, you have to go into the pair new devices, and from the list select the OPPO Enco Free 2. You don't have to install the Hey Melody application on this device. All you need to do is just to connect by standard Bluetooth settings. And now after a few seconds, you can find this information that you are actually connected with the second device. And now if you want to quickly switch between these two devices, all you have to do is just to click on this icon. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work right now for me, but normally we can just quickly switch by tapping right here, but let me just try, for example, to turn it off and turn it on back. Let's see if it works right now. Let's enable the dual connection. Okay, let's try to do this one more time. Okay, and it looks like it is not working properly in my case. So I wonder how it looks in your case. I'm really curious about this. I will try to disconnect this earbuds from the second phone. There we go. Let's see if it works right now. Okay, so for some reason this function is not working properly in my case, but please tell me in the comments how it works in your case, because previously I was using this and I was able like simply switch between the earbuds. So yeah, that's all. If you somehow find this video useful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel.